Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the ambient lighting in this Mercedes-Benz. So if your Mercedes has this type of display, this guide applies to Mercedes models including the A-Class, B-Class, CLA, GLA, GLB, EQA and EQB. So if you have this style screen and graphics, this video is perfect for you. So if you own a Mercedes with this style screen and kind of graphics, then this video is perfect for you. Also, you might notice my screen layout is a bit different. Also, if you have screen layouts like this, then this video will also help you out. This kind of screen layout you'll find on the models like the GLE, GLS, also the EQC, and many other models. Let me know in the comments if this video helps you out, and mention what model and year you own. So if you have a Mercedes with this style screen and these kind of buttons on your steering wheel, then this video is perfect for you. Now this video will also help you if you have this style screen for your Mercedes. So if you have these style screens, this video is perfect for you. So if you've got these kind of graphics. These screens are also in models like the GLA, the CLA, and even models like the EQA and EQB. But also if you own a Mercedes-Benz GLE, that screen can be a bit bigger. And again, this video will help you out too. You might recognize this screen as well from the Mercedes-Benz GLS. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a video with the biggest screen. And if you do, put it in the comments as soon as possible. And I'll try and get my hands on a car from my local dealership. So to change the ambient lighting, just press the home button here. And then you're in the home screen. Now to change the ambient lighting, all you do is go to Comfort. Give that a click. And then you've got the ambient light option here. Give that a click. And now you've got the option of changing the color here. And here you've got 64 different colors to choose from this wonderful rainbow. And then you can also do the multicolor effect. Now this is really cool because you get all these different effects. And I think that makes the car feel even more special. So let me know, which one would you go for? And then if I press the back button, you've got the option of changing the brightness. Now, if you do want to change the brightness in one go, you can, like so. Or you can put it into zones. So if you want certain areas to be more brighter, like here. So this is the lighting in the doors and dashboard area. Even lower, you can change the brightness here. You can do the vent controls as well. So you've got some really great options on how to customize the lights. Now you might want to customize it just in case the lights are maybe reflecting onto the windscreen. If they are, you can change it here, and you can still have the ambient lights at the bottom of the car or on the vents. So you've got that customizability. But for me, I mainly drive in the day, so I would just set it like that. You've got the option of effects as well, and you can have greeting effects. You can have climate control effects, which is really cool. And then you've also got the multicolor animation. So that is a really cool effect as well. And that's how you change the ambient lights. And then once you're out, once you're finished, just press the home button and then bang, you're in the main home screen. Now check out my other videos for more Mercedes tips, including how to use the main controls on different models. Now I have done a very in-depth video on how to use the main features of this car. So if you do want to watch that, check that out in the top right corner. I'll find it in the description below. But check out the Mercedes playlist to learn more about all the different models and how to use the main features of those cars. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the playlist on useful hints and tips for Mercedes-Benz models, which has more videos like this, including videos on how to disable your Mercedes key to prevent thieves from stealing it. Also, there are videos on how to use the auto park feature and even the cruise control and speed limiter, and much, much more. I also have videos on how to use the main features of all different brands and other models, so check them out at your leisure. There is also a super thanks feature. If you want to donate to the channel, then please feel free to use this feature, as any money raised from YouTube will be used to buy more equipment. Thanks for watching.